Today I'm gonna be working on this 1990 Yamaha Banshee. It's not running at the moment. I haven't checked for spark either, but it looks pretty clean. Look at the Dunlops. They're like brand new. And I got the front ones too. I gotta put them on. First I'm gonna check for spark, and then I'm gonna clean the carburetor, see if it runs. After that, I got a front plastic that's not cut, and I'm gonna change that seat cover out. Yeah, I don't know what I think about that shifter. It looks like it's homemade or something. Yeah, I'll change that out. And I got this red plastic too for the gas tank and the grill. And I got some decals for it also. I'm gonna check for a spark now. It has spark. I don't know if you guys can see it in the video or not, but I'm gonna start taking off the carburetors now. I'm gonna remove the rear fender just to get it out of the way. I got the carburetors off. They look pretty dirty from the outside. I'm gonna just open them up and start cleaning them. We'll see how dirty it is right now. Pretty dirty in there. Not too dirty. I'll get it all cleaned up though. Took the internals out of the carburetors, but I put the bowls back on because I'm gonna go put them on the vise so I can pressure wash them. Here's the seat cover I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna go take that real quick to go get installed. I'm gonna just finish up cleaning up the carburetors. I already dropped off the seat. It should be done in like a few minutes. Alright, I'm gonna make some gas and see if it starts. Yeah, the fuel line works good. Let me just make some gas. I'll just drain the old fuel real quick so I can pour in some new one. Alright, I'm gonna find out if it starts now. Yeah, it sounds like it's running good, but it looks like it's smoking a little bit more from this side. I probably just need to adjust the carburetors real quick. I was syncing the carburetors with this thing and I noticed why it was smoking from one side. Every time I give a throttle, the left side lifts up first, then the right side. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you can see it right there. The carburetor synced. I'm gonna take this thing up front and give it a wash. I'm gonna show you guys the clean Dunlops too that came with the quad when I bought it. Here's the Dunlops. These things are like brand new. They're stat 90. Here's the seat. I got it back from the shop. They only charged me 25 bucks to do it. It came out pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna take the quad to the front now to wash it. I'll put the airbox on real quick just so I don't get water inside the engine. Only things I'm gonna paint on these things are the J-arms, front bumper, the heel guards, and I'm gonna paint that skid plate too. I just finished painting the parts and I'm just waiting for the paint to dry. Meanwhile, I'm gonna replace this front plastic and the gas tank covers. Here's the front fender I ordered on eBay. Only thing is, the guy that was selling it catfished me. He didn't show this damage on the pictures. And and it was the only one I could find, so I'm gonna just end up using it. It's a bit dirty, but I could clean it up with magic eraser. Here's the gas tank cover I got. I just gotta put on the grill from the other one onto this one. I bolted on the plastics. I just need to put the stuff on, but I'm waiting for it to dry. I'm gonna show you guys how the paint is matching close. Here's an OEM skid plate that I have. I'm gonna use it to match the paint. And so far it looks like it's matching up pretty good. I just got a clear coat. Usually when you remove these decals, they leave like a little sticky stuff, like the glue gets left behind. Hopefully that's not the case with this one. I just finished putting it back together. I think the paint came out pretty good. Only thing I gotta do now is put on the decals, and I'm gonna swap out this grab bar also. I finished putting the decals on, and also I swapped out the key location. I ended up putting a cascade bracket here, and I put the key right there because the hole was bothering me. Here's the Banshee all finished up. This thing came out super clean. I'm gonna start it up for you guys and do a walk around on it. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll be posting similar content. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And go check out my Instagram. I'll be posting giveaways soon. I just need more followers. Thank you.